Okay guys, today we have a new case manufacturer for this channel. I don't think I've ever featured this manufacturer here, and it comes from Tocol. Looking at the packaging itself, it has Tocol branding smack down in the middle of the case, and you do have these slightly visible T's all around the case there. Very nice premium packaging here. You do have some texture, you can kind of hear it. Tocol branding there on the sides as well. Very nice style. Lifetime warranty. Features a slim and protective anti-shock, anti-fouling, extreme protection, sensitivity, and HD, precise cut edges, easy installation. This is their features they're saying. And you do have a sticker there in front, but I absolutely love it because there is a pull tab, so you can go ahead and pull the sticker off and you don't have to use a cutting device. So let's see what we are presented with this Tocol case. You have this beautiful case. Oh, nice. You have this awesome grave case with this like translucent matte material here on the back. I've never seen this gray with a translucent smoked material here. Looks pretty cool actually. I want to see how it looks. And you do have some accessories in the package when you buy this case as well. Looks like you're gonna be presented with 2 tempered glass screen protectors as well for your beautiful Tocol case here. And they do give you an intention. It tells you if your touch sensitivity is not all there, to go to settings, display, and increase touch sensitivity. That's pretty cool of them. Let's take a quick look at this screen protector, and if it kind of matches the one that I currently have, I'm not gonna go ahead, and it does. Is the exact same one that I currently have on the Pixel 7a. So I'm not gonna go ahead and install this, but I recommend using the case itself to install it before doing anything, to use it as a guide. So let's take a quicker look at this case, and if this one's different, I believe this one's a tad different. Let's go ahead and see what we have with this one over here. I believe this one is just the exact same thing, but in black. You also get 2 tempered glass screen protectors, and you do get this black beautiful one here with that same smoke translucent backing there. Bam, this one looks absolutely fantastic. I think I'm gonna go with the black one. It's looking cherry, dude. Let's go ahead and place this aside and take a closer look. So grabbing the Pixel 7a here, we're gonna go ahead and place it in the gray case first, and it absolutely looks and feels fantastic. Look at that. Bam, looks very good. You can still see the G there. Very protective visor cutouts there, so you have cutouts for the camera lenses, and it obviously has a raised lip around the camera lens and the flash, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. It's not going to damage that whatsoever. On the right side of the case, you do have a texture power button, which I love to see because you can differentiate from the volume rocker, and you do have 100% cover buttons that are nice and tactile, very responsive, no issues with those buttons. On the right side of the phone itself, you have absolutely, on the left side of the case, you have absolutely nothing, but you do have this subtle kind of textured all around the edge of the case. I guess it's for added grip, and it does provide some grip. You can feel the texture there on the side. On the bottom of the phone, you have your cutouts all nice and precise, no issues with the cutouts. You got your speaker, mic, and charging port, and it does look like you have plenty of room around that charging port in case you want to use a third-party charging cable. You absolutely can. And on the top of the case, you do have your cutout for your mic there, nice and precise, and you do have a cutout there for your earpiece on top, but it feels very nice in hand. And obviously this case should wirelessly charge through the case with no issues whatsoever, and it absolutely does. Now let's take a quick look at the black one here. The gray one looks pretty good, but I think I'm leaning a little bit more towards this black one. Bam, it's the exact same case, just in a different color, and look at that bad boy. It looks absolutely fantastic. Everything else is identical. The button layout, the cutouts, everything feels good. It is tempered glass, screen protector friendly. It is gonna charge through your case. You do got plenty of lip protection there around the front flat display of the Pixel 7a. Even though with a screen protector, you are protected when you lay your phone face down on that flat surface, that it's not going to get damaged. You got plenty of lip around that screen there. But look at that, it looks absolutely fantastic. This is Tocol. It is a case for your Pixel 7a. Absolutely looks fantastic. It is a bargain. It comes with 2 screen protectors as well. Link will be in the description of this video if you want to absolutely go ahead and cop one for yourself. Feel free to hit that link. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.